And next exciting topic coming up, which is kind of my thoughts on where some people think that iOS is being merged inside of Mac OS X, and my thoughts on that. And ever since Lion came out, we're seeing a lot of software from iOS being incorporated in some features. I'll give an example: reminders, notes, Launchpad. And even with Mountain Lion coming out, we're going to see even more integration. But I think both are really distinctly different. They're really targeted for different things. iOS for mobile devices, iPads and iPhones, which utilize a smaller screen and with a touch interface. And with Mac OS X, it's more for mouse and multiple monitors. Now you can use a touchpad, which they have a wireless touchpad, but it's still it's more of a mouse, function even with the touchpad. Now actually both are really built on the same source code, but then they take the two and optimize it depending if it's going to go to iOS or the desktop. And I think there are several reasons why Apple did this. Because actually the popularity of the iPads and iPhones is actually slowly starting to increase Mac desktop sales, such as laptops, Mac minis, iMacs, for instance. They're slowly going up. Of course, their mobile devices are hugely popular. So I think it's a way to, it's going to make new users coming from Apple's mobile devices, iPhones, iPads, going to a desktop environment, because they're going to see a lot of the same software. And it's going to make it for a little bit easier move for them. Another thing is to be able to continue work from one device to another. Let's say they work on their iPad or iPhone. It could be reminders or notes or whatever. And then when they get home and they can put those mobile devices away and then continue on the desktop using some of the same applications, or it can be synced using iCloud. And I think we're going to see continued use of more integration, but I don't think Mac OS X is going to be on desktops, is not going to become another iOS. I think they're distinctly different, and the reasons why they're integrating it, just for those couple of reasons I mentioned. And give me your thoughts on that as well. Do you think it's a good thing or a bad thing? I think it's a good thing. My productivity went way up, because I just take my mobile device and put reminders or other things, and it automatically syncs to my desktop. I'm good to go.